Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to be assembling and reviewing the dumbbell bench by Flybird. Full disclosure, I did receive this item for free for an unboxing and an unbiased review. So let's get started. All right, cut the top off, pretty easy, simple. All right, open this up. Let's see. Okay, we have our instructions and tools. Well, maybe they're not tools. Maybe it just becomes mostly assembled. So, because with these, I'm not too sure what these are quite yet. We'll see. Okay, it's in German and in English as well. Okay, so it looks like it actually comes pretty much just assembled. You just gotta put the foot support bolt on and a knob and another bolt. So yeah, this is going to be a very easily assembly video. So box isn't too big, it wasn't too heavy. All right, open this up. Something's already clicking in place. Cut this. Got myself a better knife. Okay. Okay, we have a piece here. Okay, it looks like it's just gonna be screw on there. All right, let's set that aside. Okay, let's pull the bench out itself. Okay. Lift that up, take that out of there. Okay. So yeah, this actually isn't gonna be an assembly at all. Okay. Let's set that down. Flybird. Ooh, this is super nice. All right. Okay. Nothing in the box. Nothing important anyways. Just everything to keep the bench press safe. Moving this back over here. All right. Let's take a look at this real quick. Impart the foot support, adjust to suitable position, and insert the foot support into the main frame as pictured. I'm just gonna lift this up. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, okay, so that's adjusting by right there. So you adjust this bench by pulling this, and then there's a couple little grooves and notches that you could put this on. All right, nice. And it's a little bit wobbly right now because my floor isn't completely level, but that's all right. Okay, so it's telling me, let's see. Looks like you have two bolts right here. One is longer, one is shorter. The longer one is going to be sent through this middle part right here, so we'll keep that in mind. And the shorter one's gonna be to help for the foot support, which is going to go through here. So, all right, let me just check here. You could also adjust this. So move it down, incline position. You can also adjust it up. That is very nice. I like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down here as if I were using it. So foot support. Let's see. I'm gonna take this part off here. Okay. Now, let's see here. There are two notches. We have to figure out if we want on the bottom notch or the top notch. So let's put it on the bottom one to start. Okay. And we're just gonna screw this back in here. Okay. And it's nice that you have two notches, one for short people, one for taller people. And this also adjusts as well. And you could put it into place with this pin here. So I'm gonna see where I need it. Let's see, if I'm sitting down, I need my foot like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna have it there and pin it to place just like that, send it through. And it's gonna be very easy to adjust. Oh, that's super nice. I really like the fact that you could just put your feet through there and adjust as needed. Yeah, that is, I like that a lot actually. Okay, So now I'm gonna send this bolt here through the middle. Okay, send it through like that. Just as extra support. Okay, yeah, this is super nice. I feel like this is like kind of the quality that you get at the actual gym instead of like having it at your home gym. So yeah, I like this a lot. First impression. All right, so let's set it to next to one that I purchased on Amazon, just so that you could kind of have an idea. All right, put them side by side. You see that the Flybird is longer than the one that I purchased on Amazon, and looking at both, I can't tell if it's because this is placed there or what. Just noticing that this is sliding back and forth like this if you just kind of maneuver it a little bit. Let's see. So we tighten that. It doesn't look, it looks like it's supposed to have a little bit of give. So on Amazon, it doesn't have much give here. Another reason it's having some give is probably because it's adjustable, so very flexible. One thing I didn't like about the one on Amazon is this bar right here. It kind of gets in the way. Obviously, if you wanted, I could put these pads on, but again, it just makes it in the way more. So, all right, so if I'm exercising on this, I have these grooves to be able to adjust it. Okay, just like that. On the one on Amazon, you just have these little place settings there. So, okay, still wobbly. The whole thing is wobbly again just because of the floor, but in terms of how secure it is, let's see. Am I doing it injustice by where it's placed? I think I might be because, again, because of my floor, but it does have a little bit of wiggle, like you can see here. If I'm just holding it into place, this part's still wiggling a little bit, just because of these grooves, and this is wiggling a little bit because of it's, yeah, obviously not fastened. It just has these notches and it puts in place. So there's a little bit of wiggle. Again, if I just hold this down, there's gonna be some wiggle there. The seat on this one's very firm. I'll leave links to both of these in the description below. I also have an assembly video for that bench if you guys want to check that out. But overall, I'm really liking this Flybird bench. This is actually just gonna save me the trouble of just having one set all the way in an incline, and then yeah, this way I could just have two benches and just do two different forms of exercises without having to switch back and forth. So very happy with this Flybird bench. It's gonna be super nice. Okay, we'll do some dumbbell exercises. So yeah, I'll leave links to this in the description below. Again, the padding on this is more comfortable than the one that found on Amazon. I'm sure you could find this on Amazon as well, but either way, links to both of these will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.